The model contains more than 900,000 𝗁𝗂 texts. The texts were reviewed in consultation with the Department of Culture and 𝗁𝗂 Development to ensure accurate predictions.
When you type 𝗁𝗂, it needs a lot of key presses. So in order to speed up 𝗁𝗂 writing, so we thought that why not we have a system where you first give the first syllable, and then based on first syllable, so there is number of predictions. For example, if you give lop, and then you will have a pen or da or 𝗵𝗂𝗃, so that we can choose, and then you just keep on clicking the buttons, and then you have the text being written.
The college began work on the website in 2020 after extensive research and groundwork. The project costs about 12.3 million 𝗀𝗃𝗃.
In the past, our students and the staff were not able to do the work as we have been doing just now, merely because we lacked the computer processing system. Currently, we managed to purchase high-end computing system, and now our research team and also the team who are developing this particular prediction system has gone into an advanced stage.
The project shows how investment in research can lead to practical innovation. Conferences such as the International Conference on Science, Engineering and Technology bring together academics, students and international researchers to share ideas and strengthen collaboration.
It's very inspiring to see such excellent work being done by the students here. And so I think that it would be very beneficial if I could even bring my own students here in the future and have the chance for them to see the work that's being done in Bhutan, as well as to share our own work.
CDCL 𝗁𝗲𝗂𝗶𝗰𝗁𝗂𝗍 아니 𝗵𝗂𝗀𝗂𝗍𝗂.
CDCL work relates to construction, and for that we require cooperation. Therefore, we support such a venture of a student so that the academic theory can turn into real-life practice.
As more Bhutanese use digital platforms to communicate, tools like 𝗁𝗂 Next could make it easier to write and use the national language online. Developers say they will continue improving the system and servers to make 𝗁𝗂 typing faster and more accessible to users. 𝗁𝗇𝗏𝗻, PBS News.